South Central Kenedy County in deep South Texas, North Central Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Yturria, or 10 miles northeast of Raymondville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles, including cracked windshields and minor exterior dents can expected. Some damage to crops and trees is expected. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of South Central Kenedy and North Central Willacy counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Kenedy County in deep South Texas, North Central Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Yturria, or 10 miles northeast of Raymondville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles, including cracked windshields and minor exterior dents can expected. Some damage to crops and trees is expected. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of South Central Kenedy and North Central Willacy counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville.